Got a flat tire? No worries. I'm going to show you how to fix it the easy way. First, make sure you're parked safely, away from traffic, and your hazard lights are on. Now, grab your spare tire jack, lug wrench from your trunk. Loosen lug nuts a little while the tire's still on the ground. Don't take them off yet. Break that initial resistance. Position the jack under the car's jacking point, usually a reinforced spot behind the tire. Pump the jack until the flat tire lifts off the ground. Finish unscrewing the lug nuts and pull the flat tire off. Set it aside. Grab your spare, line up the holes, and slide it onto the studs. Hand tighten the lug nuts back on. Lower the car slowly until the spare touches the ground. Don't put full weight on it yet. Tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This helps the wheel seat evenly. Now lower the car all the way and give each lug nut one final tighten. Double check everything's snug, toss your tools and flat tire in the trunk, and you're good to go. Remember, most spare tires are temporary. Drive to a repair shop soon. And that's it. You just changed a flat tire the easy way. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple car tips. Stay safe out there.